Mireya, bring miracle. It is every girl's dream to be beautiful. Well, one thing you maybe do not realize that each of us are beautiful in our own way. It is then up to us to use and take a good care of that gift. And Mireya comes with a goal, bringing miracle to every girl's dream. They have 3 products which are cushion, blush on, and brush to fit every girl's need wherever and whenever they need it. Take a look at these beautiful products. It is packaged beautifully for each and every one of us. And of course, the first with this Mireya Perfecting Cushion UVA and UVB protection comes in 4 different shades to match our skin tone, from porcelain, ivory, natural to sand color shade. It moisturizes our skin and absorbs excess oil. It also helps brighten our skin. It contains UV filter to protect from the UV light. Our skin then looks very healthy and glowing at the same time. Wow, can you see the difference? How it lights the skin just like that. Magic. Besides, it is very easy to use. You can just tap and put it in your face and boom, it blends naturally with your skin tone. Take a look at the tutorial. Not a beauty vlogger, but yeah, this can do. Second, the Mireya Blush on Heart to Heart Long Wear Powder Blush. It contains green tea extract and witch hazel as an antioxidant. It has a very soft texture and a long-lasting color. See? It blush up your dual face. Just like that, very easy to use. And last but not least, this Mireya Beautiful Everyday Blush on Brush with a tube shape form that enables us to easily bring this along everywhere we go. It is safe to use since its brush bristles are made of synthetic materials and are friendly to sensitive skin, and moreover it is non-allergic. So yeah, you girls should have these 3 products from Mireya by checking out their store at Tokopedia.